welcome back to Plan Simple Projects. Today we'll be taking this 2017 Honda Odyssey Key FOB. We're getting an error code that's showing a low battery. So the way we do that is, you can see in here, right there, that gap right there. We'll use this and we'll basically just open it up like that. Okay, and there we go. So you can see we have basically a DL2032 Duracell in here that we'll need to pop out. Okay, so what we're going to do is basically just pop out this battery, and so we use these scissors for it. Just carefully without hurting it. Next, what we're going to do is something different. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this out, and there we go. So it just pops out like that. There it is. Now I have our new one here. It came in a 4-pack. That's all I could find actually. But we'll just remove one of these here. There's our 2032. This is a CR 2032, which is actually what it calls for. Let's push that back in there. That's it. So now we'll close this up. It does have kind of a gasket on the inside here. It looks like it's all still in pretty good shape. So close it up, snap it. There it is, all done. So we'll put this back in, lock it in. That's it. Thanks for watching.